Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Wanjiru Linet. Today it's a big day. I'm going to take you to the salon to remove my locks after 7 whole months. It has been amazing to be having the locks, and I feel like it's time for change. It's time to have something new, and it's time to have something fresh. Let's see how this goes. Fingers crossed to see whether my hair is still healthy. touching my hair again. It's so soft and free. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share.